Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you have a Bosch dishwasher like this that's not draining? It might be giving you an error code that's telling you something's going on with the drain. Well, check this out first. Take out the filter and make sure that this white little piece here is firmly attached. This here is basically a guard that covers the drain pump, and sometimes it'll come loose, or maybe you accidentally took it out and didn't put it back in right. You want to make sure it slides into its channel and it clicks in. You want to hear a click and you want it to not be able to move. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching everyone. Hope this helped and have a great day. Later.